How to add effects into Filto app. Let's quickly learn it to make your edits stand out. Open the Filto app on your phone. Tap the plus button to start a new project. Import a photo or video you want to edit from your gallery. Once it loads into the editor, look at the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. You will see a bunch of categories like glitch, visual, retro, light, and more. Tap an effect to instantly apply it to your photo or video and watch how it changes in real time. Some effects can be customized. Use the slide bar to adjust. Want to try a different vibe? Just tap another effect until you find the perfect one. Combine effects with filter or brightness adjustment to create a new unique signature style. And that's it. You have successfully added effects in Flitter to take your edit to the next level. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick editing tips. Catch you in the next one.